let's get your toddler and your baby weaned from the pacifier. Hey, I'm Shannon. I'm a pediatric occupational therapist and mom of 2, and this week I'm doing a whole 7-day series on how to get rid of the pacifier. I'm going to be dropping education, best practices, strategies, and giving you all the information you need to get rid of this in the easiest way possible for both you and your baby or toddler. So make sure you go ahead and follow me so you don't miss a single day, and you save this video so when it's time for you to wean from a pacifier, you can start at the beginning of this list. Day 1 is super easy peasy. We're just going to talk about best practices when it comes to weaning the pacifier. I love pacifiers. Pacifiers, contrary to popular belief, are not all bad, even from a developmental or feeding perspective. They are great for suck training. They are great for colicky and acid refluxy babies. They are great for parents who don't have a village and just need a minute. And they help protect from SIDS during that 0 to 6 month range. But there are some cons to pacifiers. Prolonged use, especially up to 4, can really mess with your dental development. Overuse of pacifiers can cause speech delays and articulation errors. They can increase how often you're getting middle ear infections. The one that we all know is babies and toddlers can become dependent on them, and then it's really hard to get rid of them. So there's a lot of different opinions on when you should wean from pacifier, but the pretty hard stop that even dentists agree on is that 4 years old is when you can really start to see a pacifier take a toll on the inside of a child's mouth. So you don't want them to have a pacifier any later than the age of 4. A lot of people say 2. I find that 2 years old is really hard because you're transitioning out of a toddler bed, you're potty training. They have a lot more words and a lot more feelings to fight you with. So if you can wean before then, great. Personally, I like to see my clients and my patients weaned from a pacifier by 1 year old. Between 9 to 12 months is really when babies are going to start making attachments, emotional attachments to things and not just people. So if your baby starts to really get attached to that pacifier after that 12-month mark is when it's going to get really hard to get rid of. If your child is over a year old, don't worry, this series is still for you, so make sure you come back tomorrow so we can talk about the #1 thing to start pacifier weaning that you probably aren't doing.